Hey, all my plumbing business friends, let's keep it real. How many times have you waited ages for angle walls that never shows up or got stuck with spotty quality? We get it, and IFAN is here to fix that. Here's the deal, every single is made right in our factory. No outsourcing, no cutting corners. And we've got ton of stock, no long lead time. Our popular brass angle wall come in two colors, single color and dual color. Total industry standard, perfect for all of your projects. Need them fast? We ship right away so you can keep your jobs on track or shelf stocked. No hassle, just quality walls you can count on. IFAN is your guy. Hit us up today to replace your order. Let's keep your business moving smoothly.